Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Pay for transit and ticketing. So let's get straight to the video. There's going to be a couple of steps. The first is to first check availability. So you want to check if Google Pay supports transit and ticketing in your area, and you want to look for participating transit agencies and ticketing providers. So the second step, of course, is to add a transit card or ticket. So how you're going to do that is to first open Google Pay on your device, and then you want to tap on the transit or tickets tab, and then select add transit card or add tickets. Now you're going to choose your transit agency or ticketing provider, and then follow the prompts to add your transit or tickets. The third step is to set up your transit card or tickets. Now how you're going to do that is to enter your transit card or ticket details, and then you want to add a payment method to your transit card or tickets, and then set up your transit card or tickets for automatic reloading. And the fourth step to that is to pay for transits or tickets. Now when you're ready to pay for transit or tickets, simply hold your device near the transit reader and show your digital ticket to the ticket inspector, and that's going to help you to pay for that. And Google Pay will automatically deduct the fare from your transit card or your tickets. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to do that. So I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and if you have, thank you so very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.